Hello everyone, and welcome back to Useful How-To Videos. My name is Mike Sands, your guide to solving tech-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Today we're diving into the world of Logic Pro X, which is a fantastic DAW that allows you to create and produce music. Hey guys! Today this video is about how to quantize in Logic Pro. How to quantize in Logic Pro. And just so we are on the same page, just want to throw up a definition of what actually is quantizing, or what does quantization mean. Not assuming that you know, but just to be on the same page. But quantization is a digital music processing technique that corrects the timing of a recorded audio or MIDI by moving it to the nearest grid position that's musically relevant. So in layman terms, I think the best way to define it is basically correcting a piece of music so that it sounds on time. Okay, so that's what we'll be covering today. Just how to quantize in Logic Pro. Exactly how to do that. In order to do that, we're gonna just record a simple piece of music, and I'll try to play it out of time so that we can hear just the effect of when it's quantized. Okay, so here we goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna choose a MIDI, and I'm gonna choose my sound is just as a regular piano sound. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I tried my best to play it intentionally out of time. So anyway, let's hear how it's recorded. Okay, I think that's enough. You get the point. So, okay, how to quantize? Well, you see this I button, is the inspector. So what we're going to do is make sure you click that. When you click that, you should see this window on the left-hand side open up. Right now I close it, but if I press it again, it opens. So pressing that closes and open that windows. Okay. Here you should see basically mixer information for that particular track, but how to quantize or how to access the quantizing settings, you're going to click the top arrow where you see region, and then once we get the region, we're going to see the quantize where right now is showing us off. And so selecting the quantize, we always want to select a setting that's closest to what we think our track is playing. So we can choose it. So if we want all the notes to sound to play just like a whole note, that's what we choose as one note here. If we want every note played on the half note timer, that's what it's going to play. Okay, so the half note timer would be, in a case of 4/4, the half note it would play on the 2 and the 4. It would limit it to the 2 and the 4. A quarter note, it would limit it to every beat in that measure. Okay, ba 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 ba. So let's you know what, I'll choose a quarter note. Let's hear how it sounds. Okay. da, 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 da. Play, 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 play. Okay, so that's the quantization. If we choose the quarter note feature, it would mean that all the notes that are closest to the quarter note, or to the quarter note within that measure, it's only going to play that note. Okay, I'm gonna undo, and let's choose the 8 note. Let's have how it sounds. Alright, so make sure it's selected, and then we're going to quantize it to 8 notes. Bam, 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 bam. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, so because I know what I'm playing, I know that I'm missing some notes, and the notes apparently are coming on the 60 note. I think so. So for a 4/4 measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 8 notes would sound like bop, 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 bop. So the 60 note would be like bop, 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 bop. Okay, so because I know the way I'm playing that particular phrase, more than likely the quantized note, the quantized selection that I want to choose or feel comfortable with is choosing the 16th notes. Now, if I go and choose the 30-second notes, then I may actually miss the fact that some of the notes are playing off, because the 130 note is actually double that of the 16 note. So if we choose the 1/16 notes setting for the quantize, let's see what happens. Ba 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 ba. Okay. So let's go back again. I think there's an error around the third measure. Bam 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 bam. Okay, so you missed something. Third measure, maybe the second beat. So maybe we did need the 1/32 note. So I'm gonna undo the quantization that I just did, and then I'm going to choose 1/32 just to hear how it may sound. Bam 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 bam. Still missing it. So maybe it's the 164. Let's undo it. Okay. Let's move it over. Let's try 1/64. And then if that doesn't work, we may just have to manually move the notes. Okay. Okay, so just to remedy now what I'm hearing, I'm going to go back to the 32nd note setting, and because this is MIDI, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move the notes over. That's the beautiful thing about using MIDI notes. So I believe what's happening is this region here, it maybe should move over one more here. So this is just example where MIDI is just not helping. Where quantization is not helping, and you literally have to manually move the notes where you want to. Okay. Okay. So you see there, quantization in this instance, just for the this region here, it didn't work because of how I played the music, and it just means that I had to manually move the notes into the timing position that I wanted to. But generally speaking, quantizing or adding quantization to this track here, it's now play, but generally speaking, it actually synchronizes it based on the beat or based on the tempo. Okay, let's hear it again. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, same situation here. Okay, where I have to drag it over, and I think it happened like that because I was intentionally just trying to throw it off. But I think if I was playing the song naturally, the quantization would have worked well. So just a heads up or a suggestion: don't try to play off and expect the quantization to work perfect. I think what you have to do is, in your own playing, keep the tempo, and then you would allow quantization to make the to making that minor change of actually synchronizing the notes, where the changes would not have to be so big. Okay, all right guys, that's it today. Hopefully this helps how to quantize in Logic Pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.